How to book Grab for tomorrow. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to book Grab for tomorrow. To make advanced booking or booking for tomorrow, you need to follow the steps I'm going to describe. So, first of all, what you need to do is enter locations and select later. And after that, you need to enter the desired date and time. Then, select the Just Grab option. And then tap on Scheduled Just Grab to confirm your ride. Your driver's details will be sent to you when it's time for your scheduled ride. Also, check out our video on how to book a Grab car in advance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.